Are you looking to get your Apple Cinema display back into action from it being long overdue from its 2010 release? So if you want to get it out of your attic, give it a use, let's get into it. Just recently, I purchased a new Mac, the M3 chip that just came out, and it's a replacement of my old 2010, please don't judge me, of my MacBook Air, which fortunately came with this Apple Cinema display. And it was a nice combo. But as technology, right, advances, so does the screens, so does the ratios of the aspects. Yeah, I messed it up, aspect ratio. But what's interesting is that when we get new products from Apple, usually Apple wants us to throw them away and buy new products. Hence, it's like you break your iPhone, instead of getting it repaired, you just buy a new one. And in this case, I got to give it to Apple because, well, not Apple, but actually I got to give it to these cables and these dongles that are able to backlog or at least backtrace your screen, because essentially this is an out of date technology, but it works. And I don't really want to buy a new screen. So what's accommodating is that USB-C, and this adapter that I bought, it's the USB-C to mini DisplayPort adapter on Amazon that I bought here. It was $15.98, probably one of the best deals out there. I saw some other dongles that it could be about $30 to $40, but looking through all the reviews, this one seemed to be the most reliable, and I don't really want to take too much real estate going on here, so I'm actually going to get another dongle that will, I don't know, give me about 4 different USBs, because I want to hook up a new keyboard. But one thing that is happening with my monitor is that it's getting a little bit of a yellow tint, and I've noticed this actually ever since my USB to the actual port is disconnected. For some reason, I don't know if that gives it some extra output or if that gives it a colored code display from your Mac, because I have read on some forums that not having that USB plugged in can cause it to look a little yellow. But that being said, if I need to edit my photos or videos on my main screen, I can put my web browser on the other, or something different where I don't really need to care about the color temperatures. So anyway, point to this video is, if you guys are looking into getting a dongle for your Apple Cinema display, this is the way to go. And just to give you guys a confirmation that it works, we're just going to flow from one side to the other. And yeah, man, this is probably the best solution for you guys to bust out an old piece of technology and incorporate it into your new piece of technology. All right, let me know what you guys think. With that, I will see you guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later. See ya.